Good morning, students. Today we will do a poem, and the name of the poem is The Nightingale and the Glowworm. This poem is written by William Cowper. This poem is written by William Cowper, who was an English poet. Cowper writes about everyday life and scenes of the English countryside. William Cowper, who is the poet of this poem, he has written many poems about the daily life, and in some of the poems he has described the English countryside. A nightingale that all day long had cheered the village with his song. In the poem there is the description of a nightingale who sing for the whole day, had cheered the village. Cheered means making happy, and he is making happy to the village by singing his song. मीन्स एक नाइटिंगेल है पोएम के अंदर जो फुल डे सिंगिंग करता है और अपनी सिंगिंग से विलेज वालों को खुशी देता है. Nor yet at eve his note suspended, nor yet when eventide was ended, nor yet at eve. Eve means evening. Note suspended. Note suspended means stop singing. The nightingale doesn't stop his singing up to the evening. Means वो शाम तक भी सॉन्ग गाना बंद नहीं करता. Nor yet when eventide has ended. Eventide means evening. And he did not stop his singing after the evening also. Means शाम तक और शाम ख़त्म होने के बाद भी वो अपना गाना गाना बंद नहीं करता. Began to feel as well he might the keen demand of appetite. As well he might means to say how much the power, how much the might Nightingale had, he sing with his all might, with his all power. That's why he began to feel appetite. Appetite means hunger. Means after singing full day and at the evening, even after the evening, he started feeling hunger. When looking eagerly around, obviously he is feeling hungry, so he is in the search of food. So when he looking eagerly around, जब वो eagerly इधर उधर देखता है, he spied, उसको दिखाई देता है, far off upon the ground. Far off means away, दूर उसको ground पे दिखाई देता है. A something shining in the dark. Something shining, कुछ चमकते हुए dark में. He saw something that was shining in the darkness and knew the glowworm by his spark. And the nightingale came to know, वो जान जाता है, that shining thing is the glowworm. Glowworm is an insect. How he know that the shining thing is a glowworm? By the spark. Spark means shine. By the light of the glowworm. Glowworm means जुगनू. वो जुगनू जब चमकता है अंधेरे के अंदर तो नाइटिंगेल को पता चल जाता है that is the glowworm. So stooping down means bending down from the hawthorn. Hawthorn means a small tree with thorns. एक small tree जिसके ऊपर thorns होते हैं. तो जो नाइटिंगेल है he is sitting on the tree and then he bent down. When he saw the glowworm. Firstly, the nightingale was sitting on the top. After seeing the glowworm, he stooped down, he bent down. He thought to put him in his crop. Then the nightingale thought to put him means glowworm, to put the glowworm in his crop. Crop means to put in his throat. To put in his throat. Its meaning is a pouch located in a bird's throat. बर्ड के थ्रॉट के अंदर एक जो है प्लेस लोकेटेड होता है जिसके अंदर बर्ड अपना फूड स्टोर करके रखता है. तो नाइटिंगेल सोचता है कि वो उसको अपने थ्रॉट के अंदर ले जाए, खा जाए. द वॉर्न अवेयर ऑफ हिज इंटेंट. इंटेंट मीन्स इंटेंशन, इरादे. तो ग्लो वॉर्म को जो है नाइटिंगेल के इरादे समझ में आ जाते हैं. हैरेंग्विड हिम thus right eloquent. Harangued means spoke to someone in a very persuasive way. किसी को इस तरीके से बोलना, इस तरीके से किसी से कैसे आप बात करना ताकि हम उसको अपनी बात के लिए मना लें. तो अब क्या करता है ग्लोवॉर्म? ही हैरेंग्विड हिम, ही परसुएड हिम, उसको मना लेता है। दस राइट एलोक्वेंट, एलोक्वेंट मीन्स एक्सप्रेसिव, एक एक्सप्रेसिव वे में बोलकर जो ग्लो वॉर्म है वो नाइटिंगेल को उसको ना खाने के लिए मना लेता है। बाय एडमायरिंग हिम, बाय प्रेजिंग हिम, तो प्रेज कैसे करता है। डिड यू एडमायर माई लैम्प क्योथी, क्योथ मीन्स सेड, he is here glowworm. Now glowworm is asking from the nightingale that he did not like his lamp, his lamp means his light। तो क्या है, नाइटिंगेल से ग्लोवर्म पूछता है कि उसको ग्लोवर्म का चमकना पसंद नहीं आया। as much as I your minstrelsy, minstrelsy means singing, जैसे कि ग्लोवर्म की सिंगिंग जैसे कि नाइटिंगेल की सिंगिंग ग्लोवर्म को पसंद आती है, तो ग्लोवर्म पूछता है क्या मेरा चमकना तुम्हें पसंद नहीं आया। यू वुड abhor टू डू मी wrong और यू dislike me, abhor means dislike। then the glowworm ask from the nightingale that you dislike me, क्या तुम मुझे ना पसंद करते हो। to do me wrong because I have done something wrong, what he has done something wrong। as much as I to spoil your song because I have spoiled your song, that's why do you dislike me, for it was the self same power divine। then again the glowworm said that we are created by the same God, created by the same divine power। it was the self same power, वही self power है जिसने तुम्हें बनाया है और जिसने मुझे बनाया है। taught you to sing, तुम्हें तो गाना सिखा दिया, and me to shine, और मुझे चमकना। that you with music, you have music, and I with light, and I have a light, I have a lamp to shine। might beautify and cheer the night, and you make the villages beautiful, you make the village beautiful, you make the surrounding beautiful, and I cheer the night, how he cheer the night, by shining। the songster heard his short oration, songster गाना गाने वाले को कहा जाता है। who is the songster in the poem, nightingale, because he sings a song। the songster heard his short oration, oration means speech, ग्लोवर्म की जो स्पीच होती है वो नाइटिंगेल सुनता है। and warbling out his approbation, warbling means singing, approbation means agreement or approval। then he became agree with the glowworm, released him as my story tells। then according to this story the nightingale make the glowworm free and found a supper somewhere else। then the nightingale went anywhere else to find out his song। so in short, there is the description of a nightingale and a glowworm in which the nightingale sings for the whole day, and after singing the whole day he became hungry, and to satisfy his hunger he see here and there to eat something, but he did not find anything except only a glowworm। how he came to know that that was a glowworm, by its spark। then he tried to eat that, but the glowworm is very much clever, so he admired the nightingale and his song। then he persuaded the nightingale not to eat him। then the nightingale was persuaded, तो nightingale उसकी बात मान लेता है and went anywhere else to find out his food। thank you। now let we do the word meanings। note, here means according to this poem, meaning of note is song which is sung by the nightingale। next is suspended means stopped। eventide evening। hawthorn, a small tree with thorns, जिसके कांटे होते हैं, एक छोटा सा ट्री। then next cheered, brought joy to, किसी के लिए खुशी लाना, हैप्पीनेस लाना। spied means saw, देखना। next is crop here means according to the poem, a pouch located in a bird's throat to store food, एक पाउच जो कि बर्ड्स के गले के अंदर होता है फूड को स्टोर करने के लिए। नेक्स्ट इज harangued means spoke to someone in a persuasive way, किसी के साथ बात करना ताकि सामने वाला जो पर्सन है आपकी बात से सहमत हो जाए। eloquent, fluent, expressive वे में speak करना. Quoth, said. Minstrelsy, singing. Abhor, dislike, नापसंद करना. Oration, speech. Warbling, singing. Approbation, agreement और approval, किसी को कोई काम करने का agreement दे देना. Now students, you have to write these all the word meanings in your fair notebooks. These all the word meanings means these all are 15. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 are here, then 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These all 15 word meanings you have to write in your fair notebooks, and sentences also, and the one sentence will be given by me, and the one more sentence you will write by yourself, and the work should be done neatly and properly. Thank you so much.